In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We'll walk through a simple flow that takes you from a doc into organizing work with a folder, and then into a powerful visualization space where you can brainstorm ideas. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along smoothly. First, start in ClickUp by opening your doc. In this example, we're using an untitled document, but any doc you're working in is fine. Docs in ClickUp are great for capturing notes, requirements, or meeting takeaways, and they sit right alongside your tasks, so nothing gets lost in translation. Now, click Add Folder. A folder is a container that helps you group related lists and tasks under one umbrella. Think of it as the backbone of your structure. Projects, teams, campaigns, or phases often map well to folders. This keeps your workspace organized as work scales, and it makes reporting and permissions much easier to manage over time. Next, click Create. This confirms the new folder and adds it to your space. Depending on your settings, you may see options like location or privacy. You can stick with the defaults and adjust later if needed. A quick tip: consistent naming and clear folder descriptions can save your team time, especially when multiple people are collaborating. From here, move to All Tasks in your workspace. This view pulls everything together, giving you a high-level snapshot of what's going on. It's useful when you want to confirm that your new folder appears where you expect and see how it fits into the bigger picture. If you manage multiple projects, this is a dependable place to verify your setup. Click View to open the View options. Views let you switch how information is presented, like list, board, calendar, and more, so you can monitor work the way you prefer. This menu is your gateway to planning, tracking, and ideating without jumping between tools. Finally, choose Visualize and Brainstorm Ideas. This takes you into a flexible, creative space designed for mapping thoughts, shaping plans, and making connections. It's perfect for early-stage project scoping, outlining milestones, or simply capturing ideas before they become tasks. You can sketch workflows, group concepts, and align your team's understanding, all in one place. As you explore, remember that clarity beats complexity. Keep your visual nodes focused, label relationships clearly, and link back to tasks when you're ready to execute. And that's it. You opened a doc, created a folder to organize your work, checked your workspace-wide view, and jumped into a visual brainstorming mode to bring ideas to life. Follow these steps to keep your process clean, collaborative, and ready to scale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.